ChatGPT sign up, how to create or open ChatGPT account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through step-by-step process to create or open an account in ChatGPT. I hope for a subscribe and a like if this tutorial helped you. Now let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. You will be led to the official webpage of ChatGPT. On the top left, you will see the option for Try ChatGPT. Tap on that and then tap on the Sign Up option. You will now be asked to enter your email address, or you can also log in with the help of your Google account, Microsoft account, or your Apple account. I will go ahead and enter my email address and tap on Continue. Go ahead and enter the password for your Gmail account now. Make sure that your password must include at least 12 characters. Tap on Continue once you have entered the password. You will now be asked to verify your email. So go ahead and verify your email by opening the mail from ChatGPT. Once verified, you will be asked to enter your full name and your date of birth. So go ahead and enter your details and tap on the Agree button. And with this, you will be successfully logged into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.